Hello, I am Marcelo from Money Talks, Finance Pro Tips team. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into a hot topic for investors, AMD stock. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, has been one of the most talked about stocks in the tech sector for years. With its groundbreaking products and fierce competition with rivals like Intel and NVIDIA, AMD has cemented itself as a key player in the semiconductor industry. But now, as we enter 2025, investors are asking, should you sell, hold, or buy AMD stock? Is it time to cut losses, or does this stock still have untapped potential? In this video, we'll break down AMD's current position, analyze its financial health, examine market trends, and help you make an informed decision about your investment strategy. 1. A look at AMD's journey so far. Let's start by reflecting on how AMD has reached its current status. The company, founded in 1969, was long considered an underdog in the semiconductor space. For decades, AMD struggled to keep up with Intel, which dominated the CPU market. But things started to change in the mid-2010s under the leadership of CEO Dr. Lisa Su. AMD introduced its Ryzen processors and EPYC server CPUs, which began chipping away at Intel's market share. Meanwhile, its graphics division, Radeon, has been competing head-to-head with NVIDIA in the GPU market. These strategic moves transformed AMD into a powerhouse, delivering exceptional stock performance over the past decade. However, the tech landscape is evolving, and with it, AMD faces new challenges and opportunities in 2025. 2. AMD's current position in 2025. Financial performance. AMD's stock price in 2025 reflects a mix of investor optimism and concerns. The company's earnings reports have shown solid revenue growth driven by strong demand for data center chips and gaming GPUs. However, margins have been under pressure due to increased competition and rising costs in the semiconductor supply chain. Competition in the semiconductor market. AMD is navigating intense competition. While Intel has struggled in recent years, it's making a comeback with its new generation of CPUs. NVIDIA, on the other hand, remains a dominant force in the GPU market, especially with the rise of AI and machine learning applications. Additionally, companies like Apple and Amazon are developing their custom silicon, posing a potential threat to AMD's long-term dominance. Macroeconomic headwinds. The broader tech sector has faced significant challenges, including rising interest rates, global inflation, and geopolitical tensions. Semiconductor companies like AMD are not immune to these factors, which have dampened investor confidence and led to increased volatility in stock prices. 3. Should you sell AMD stock? Selling AMD stock may be a reasonable option if 1. You need liquidity. If you're facing financial pressures or have other investment opportunities with lower risk and higher returns, it might be worth considering selling. 2. Risk tolerance is low. If you're unable to handle the stock's volatility or concerned about macroeconomic factors, reducing exposure to AMD might bring peace of mind. 3. Short-term challenges. If you believe AMD's near-term growth is limited due to increased competition or macroeconomic pressures, selling now could minimize further losses. That said, selling should always be a strategic decision based on individual financial goals rather than panic in response to market fluctuations. 4. Should you hold AMD stock? Holding AMD stock may be the best course of action if 1. You believe in the company's long-term vision. AMD's investments in AI, data centers, and gaming indicate a promising future. Holding onto your shares allows you to benefit from potential long-term growth. 2. Market cycles. If you're confident that the current challenges are temporary and part of the market cycle, holding could be advantageous. 3. Dividend potential. AMD has not traditionally been a dividend-paying stock, but as the company matures, there's a possibility it may introduce dividends in the future. Holders should monitor AMD's performance and stay informed about industry trends to make informed decisions as conditions evolve. 5. Should you buy AMD stock? Investors considering buying AMD stock in 2025 may see it as an attractive opportunity if 1. The price is undervalued. If AMD's stock price has dipped below its intrinsic value, it might present a buying opportunity. 2. Future growth in AI and data centers. AMD's focus on AI-powered chips and data center solutions positions it well for growth in booming markets. 3. Product innovations. AMD's upcoming product launches, particularly in CPUs and GPUs, could drive revenue growth and stock appreciation. 4. Long-term potential. For investors with a long-term horizon, AMD's strategic positioning in the tech industry offers significant growth potential. However, buying requires thorough research. Consider factors like valuation, competitive landscape, and your personal investment goals before making a decision. 6. Factors to watch in 2025. A. Technological advancements. Keep an eye on AMD's ability to innovate. The company's success depends on maintaining technological superiority in CPUs, GPUs, and custom chips. B. Market share trends. AMD's market share gains in the data center and gaming sectors will be critical. Watch for updates on its partnerships with major companies and expansion into new markets. C. Financial metrics. Pay attention to AMD's revenue growth, profit margins, and cash flow. These indicators will provide insight into the company's operational efficiency and financial health. D. Global supply chain. The semiconductor supply chain has been a major challenge for the industry. Monitor how AMD navigates these issues and its ability to meet demand. 7. Conclusion. Sell, hold, or buy. So, should you sell, hold, or buy AMD stock in 2025? The answer depends on your investment strategy, risk tolerance, and belief in AMD's long-term potential. Sell. If you're risk-averse or need liquidity, selling could help cut losses. Hold. If you're confident in AMD's ability to overcome challenges and grow in the future, holding might be the best option. Buy. If you see AMD's current price as undervalued and believe in its long-term prospects, now could be an excellent time to buy. Ultimately, AMD remains a leading player in the semiconductor industry with strong growth potential. However, navigating the market requires patience, research, and a clear investment plan. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you planning to sell, hold, or buy AMD stock in 2025? Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow investors, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis.